In this video, I'm going to show you how to get verified on Instagram. First, open Instagram by tapping on the icon. In the Instagram homepage, navigate to the profile page by tapping the rightmost option in the bottom navigation bar. This will take you to your profile page. Here, tap on the three bars in the upper right side of the screen. This will take you to the Settings tab. In the Settings tab, tap the search bar on the top. Search for Request Verification. An option labeled Request Verification will appear. Tap on it. This will take you to the Verification Request tab. Here, step 1 is to confirm authenticity. Type your name, and then you need to provide a document to Instagram, such as a driver's license, to prove that it is actually you. To submit the document, tap the Add File option, select the type of document, then confirm Notability. Note, you need to be a famous person, such as a celebrity or public figure, to get verified this way. In this step, prove that you are a famous person, public influencer, or figure by choosing category, region, audience, etc. You can also provide links to your famous posts. Simply click Add Link to put a link. In the bottom, click Submit to submit your verification request. Then wait for Instagram to verify your data. You will be notified through email.